Morning, meatheads. I'm just letting you guys know that this week that there's not going to be a normal video up on the channel. Um, Life has decided to come up and be a real dick the last couple weeks. We're finally going to be making some progress on closing on our house, so I've had to be occupied doing some work up there. And my bike seems to be suffering from the transfer issue that has plagued a lot of the M8 touring models. I will maybe try and do a video on how I'm fixing it. I am not doing the primary vent. I am going to be doing the thicker clutch push rod, and I can explain to you guys why I decided to go that route versus the push rod or versus the primary vent kit from Harley. But that's the only reason why there wasn't a video uploaded on Wednesday. I hope you guys all can understand and will stick around for the next normal vlog or maybe a garage video here next. But until then, guys, stay safe. We're almost to summer, guys. We're almost there. It's been staying in the 60s, high 60s, 70s degrees up here in South Dakota, so I'll also be out in the Black Hills in a couple of weeks, so give it some time and I'll have some riding out in the hills for a way different view than what you're used to. So, alright, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.